Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the enhancer with Krea AI. In order to do so, here we are at Krea.ai and we're all logged in. What we're looking for can be found here on the left hand side under Edit where it says Enhancer. We're going to go ahead and select that. And then here it's going to allow us to upload. So we're going to go ahead and upload our file. Okay, so our file is uploaded and we can click enhance to start, but sometimes what's a good idea is to come over here where it says describe. We're going to click on that and it's going to give us a prompt. Now, before you click enhance, it's a good idea to check the prompt and make sure that it is accurate as you want it to be. So let's see here. So what I want to do here is it says the image is a black and white illustration. What I actually want is I want this to come across as more metallic. And that I think is going to, we're going to change illustration to image. Okay, so that is going to be pretty good. Now we have some bars that we can play around with, but I would say that we're going to go ahead and just leave it as is and click enhance. And we'll just let that think here for a moment. Okay, and once that got going, it took about a minute. So it just show you here what we're going to do. And you can see that by sliding the bar, you kind of get an idea for the differences in the images. With this one, it's just a little bit more detailed, a little bit smoother. So we might want to play around with our bars here a bit. Let me try turning up the AI strength. And we're going to go ahead and click enhance. Really quick, if you want to download this, if you're happy with the result, then you can just click that button there. And there you go. But we're going to go ahead and click enhance one more time. And we'll just give it a moment to think. Usually kind of hovers here 0% for just a moment. Then at some point it will kick in and then it will go really quite fast. There you go. So you can see for yourself about how fast it will take. Okay, so this is quite interesting. This changed the details a fair amount, but the details are not unwanted. It's pretty interesting, actually. I kind of like the result there. There's a little bit of weirdness going on here at the right-hand side, but overall, this is pretty neat. So this kind of gives you an idea of some of the results that you might get with the enhancer. Got to play around with the slider here. Like what I might do is turn resemblance up. Let's go ahead and try this one more time. So you could see here in this case, not a great result. So it really kind of depends. I think what we might want to do is we might want to turn the AI strength down, but keep the resemblance up. We might want to turn our sharpness up a little bit. Let's go ahead and give it one more try. Okay, and the result we get from that, this is the original, and that is the enhancement. Pretty similar, not too many dramatic changes, but overall it's just cleaner detail. And in this case, we turn the AI strength down, the resemblance up. You can hover over each of these and it will tell you what it does. So you can kind of go by that to sort of play around. But I found that for images of people, I turned the resemblance all the way up and then I turned the AI strength down and I seem to be getting better results from that. This also, for clarity, it recommends that you might want to turn that down if you get unwanted details. So this is where you could play around with the bars and see what you get. And if you're happy with the result, then you can go ahead and just download that. And there you go. That's how you use Krea to enhance an image. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Check us out on Discord. Go and say hi there. We post a lot of links and articles, anything that's AI animated related. And you want to get in on the ground floor of our community, check out our Discord. And if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you will get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.